Patty Fernandez and I'm an art teacher. Visit my website at pattyfernandezartist.com. Okay, let's draw. Today's project is how to draw the layers of Earth. Okay, I'm going to take two fingers right here in the center and I'm going to put a dot. And from that dot I'm going to draw a curved line down, around, up, over, and connect. Right above that, I'm going to draw a wavy line down, around, up, over, and connect. Okay? Right here, I'm going to draw a straight line down, straight line over. What we're doing is drawing a diagram of the layers of the Earth, and then we'll be coloring it in. Right here, I'm just going to put a curved line up, straight line down, connect. Inside, I'm going to put a straight line, curved line, straight line, slightly curved line, connect. I come back to the top. I'm going to draw a straight line, straight line, straight line, connect. Little straight line, straight line, straight line, connect. Bigger straight line, connect. And we're going to label all of these, so just hold on. Next to that, I'm going to put two straight lines, curved line, connect. Two straight lines, curved line, connect. Two straight lines, curved line, connect. Next to those, I'm going to put wavy line. That's to show motion. All right, I come down over here and I put a straight diagonal out, down, connect, straight diagonal out, down, connect, straight diagonal out, down, connect. On this one though, I'm going to put curved line, curved line. Now I draw on top of my wavy line, little wavy line, little wavy line, little wavy line. Then I draw spirals. Put a dot, curved line over, put a dot, curved line over, put a dot, curved line over. And then I'm going to put wavy line. Okay. Now I'm going to come inside over here on the left and I'm just going to draw a wavy line down, wavy line up, connect, wavy line down, wavy line up, connect, wavy line down, wavy line up, connect. All right, now we are going to label. All right. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a baby triangle, straight line, and this outer rim is the crust of the Earth's layer, and that is the land that we walk on. Next, I am going to put baby triangle, straight line. This inner core right here, this inner layer, is the mantle. And that's where a lot of the activity goes on that the Earth experiences, which we will explain in a minute. And then I put a little baby triangle inside that space, straight line down, little baby triangle there. This is the core, okay? Now, the core is the inner core, and it is liquid, with the outer core made out of iron and nickel. These wavy lines, which follow curved line, baby triangle, go around and down, curved line, baby triangle. These are tectonic plates, and we've kind of spoken about those already in a tectonic plates, and they're the ones that shift and move all the way around the earth. And when they do that, right here, I'm gonna, if you can fit it in, I'm gonna write earthquakes. And that's why the motion lines are rock and rolling. And then another aspect, let's put a wavy line right here. When that tectonic plate moves, you also can get a volcano, okay? This is simple, but we want you to understand what's going on. All right, let's see how we're going to color this in. Okay, when you color in a diagram, like I'm doing right now, you don't necessarily use realistic colors. What you're using are colors that emphasize the part that you're coloring in. So I'm using yellow to emphasize that this layer right here is the crust. Then I take my red and I'm going to color inside all of the baby triangles because those are also demarcations of important information I'm trying to give my viewer. That does not mean that if you cut the earth in half there would be little baby triangles and curved lines. This is just an artistic representation. Now for that inner core that's liquid hot, I'm going to put a red line. The portion around the liquid is more of a solid, so I'm going to make that orange. This is still all the core. Then for the mantle, I'm going to take a brown and lightly loop-de-loop this space. Okay? Now, since I have my brown out, I'm going to add these little rectangle spaces. I'm going to make those brown. Those represent structures by man. I'm going to go ahead and do brown tree trunks, and I'm going to color in my mountains and my volcano. I'm going to add a little bit of red to my volcano to emphasize that it is part of the whole crust. Next, add some green vegetation. The earth has vegetation. Come down here. These are all vegetation. This is just to let you know on the crust we have many different ecosystems. Just put a little bit of green here and here. And I'm going to add a blue spiral, this representing all the water, oceans, water bodies. Now, my tectonic plates are pretty important, so I'm going to make those pink, which makes no sense at all as a color other than I want you to realize that they are active and happening in this layer. Then for my final color, I think it's my final color, I have a multicultural pinky beige just to color this in so it's not so white. So your main emphasis on these layers of the earth is identifying the different spaces with some of the attributes that happen there. Okay, let's see what this looks like all colored in. Okay, here are the layers of the earth, a very simple diagram of what is going on beneath your feet. Okay, bye-bye.